Hello,
Hi, Shreyan.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great.
What is going on?
Okay, so we were just sorting birthday twice. Who is the youngest to eldest to introduce? Okay, so
Okay.
so we'll Tisha, is your mic working?
Is
No.
my mic not working?
No, no, yours is working. Tisha's is not working.
Okay.
No problem. So I'll introduce before we introduce you, let me introduce the founders who are there or skill titans, okay? Who are there. So Tisha, she is 11-year-old student from Bombay, and she's running a company called Playmigos, which is a playdate finder app. Okay. Then
Date finder app. Okay.
yeah, for students, for sports and
Okay.
events like that,
Okay.
right? Then there is Arav. Arav, please.
My name is Araf Pandya and I am the founder of Safeness Technologies. I have made an emergency response system for elderly people and the people who have deficiencies and diseases such as Parkinson, epilepsy, and dementia.
Yeah.
Wow, wonderful.
So he's
I,
also
I'm
11
I'm
years old.
actually feeling so overwhelmed. These kids are like half of my age. Actually, they are half of my age and they are having
Yeah.
their own companies. Wow.
हमें
Wow.
बच्चा
Nice.
मत समझो. Don't call us kid. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, kidding, kidding. Okay. So next we have Devansh.
My name is Devansh. I study in sixth grade in Geetanjali Vedika School. We make products out of coir, which are eco-friendly. Coir is like the outer part of the coconut, the husk of the coconut, which is mostly thrown away. So it's cheap, and we are also erasing plastics. We also make coir coasters, coir mats, and pots.
Yeah. Uh,
Good.
he is, I think he is 12, turning 13. And
Wow, wonderful.
yes, before that we had Zara, which I missed. Zara, over to you.
Hi, I'm Zara. I'm 11 years old and I study in Jamnabai Nursery School in Mumbai. We like in our company we like strive to make aromatherapy more easy and affordable for everybody. So we make like shower melts, bath salts, bath teas, etc.
Amazing.
Okay, awesome. And then we have Sarvadnya. Sarvadnya.
So I am Sarvadnya Vikas Pawar, the owner of the company Sarvadnya's RC. So I generally design hobby grade RC cars, which are cheaper than the main product of RC hobby grade RC cars. So generally, my target is to beat Traxxas, which sells the same type of cars which I sell, but just at 4 times more price due to the taxes and 2 times more price out of India.
Wow, awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, and we have Akshan.
Good evening. My name is Akshan Shadyo. I'm 13 and I'm the founder of Agri Innovation, which focuses on agriculture and cow food, which I sell to other companies so that I can make their business better.
Awesome. Nice. So it is an organic company, organic products. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and we have Samyak and Lakshya. Samyak,
Hello.
yeah.
Hi. I'm Samyak Dainje and I'm the founder and CEO of Farm Vision. So I'm currently studying in 11th class in PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya, number 2, Dev Road, Pune. And Farm Vision basically is a smart agriculture based company. So we provide smart agricultural devices to farmers.
Nice.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot Radha and Swara. Radha, Swara.
Yes.
I missed.
Hello, I'm Swara and my founder Radha. We are an 8th graders from City Pride School, Nikidi, Pune.
We have created a company
that makes sustainable educational aid for teachers. So we create interactive charts from old clothes so that teachers can teach key concepts to students interactively.
Wow, nice. That's really impressive.
Right. And last but not the least, we have Lakshya, Samarth. Guys, over to you.
So I'm Samarth, he's
And I'm
Lakshya. We're 17 and we're the founders of Viba Hands. So it's we basically sell handmade rugs, and the difference between us and other companies is that we make rugs more affordable and treat our weavers as partners by giving them share of profits and not wages.
Amazing.
Okay. So that's about Skill Titans, and I'm Shreyan. I'm the founder of OLL. Kidding. So
You've created mini Shreyans, I can see.
Yeah, so now we want we want to know, like, we've all seen, like, a lot of us have seen your Shark Tank page, and we all are very inspired by what you're doing at your Pretty Little Shop, and we really want to get some insights, feedback from you, your story of how you did it. So
Okay. Thank you so much for giving such a sweet intro, firstly. I'm Khushi Mandlik. I am 21 years old and I'm from Mumbai. And I'm the founder of Pretty Little Shop. Pretty Little Shop is a customized gifting hub wherein we make unique gifts which are not available in the market currently. We follow the current trends and we build something that directly connects with the emotion of the gift receiver and gift giver. So that's what we do. And talking about Shark Tank, yes, it was a tedious process. I would say it was a 8 month long process, but we did make it there. And after that, things have changed. The tables have turned, and by God's grace, now we have a small workspace of our own. We have inventory, we have machinery, and things are going good. We are onboarding a lot of platforms, and yes, it is going good.
so how did you start? When did you start? What was the story behind that?
Okay, so if I have to tell what is the story behind it, I'll tell you very honestly. The only reason I started a gifting company, it was because as a child I did not receive much gifts. Being from a middle class family, it is not possible to get gifts for every occasion. You get gifts for some special occasion, and even there is some काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि साल में 1 या 2 गिफ्ट मिलते हैं, हमें हर ओकेजन पर गिफ्ट नहीं मिलते। सो आई वाज़ समवन हू loved the idea of gifting, but I never received gifts. So I wanted to, fill that gap which I did not get. I wanted to get let everyone have that joy of gifting. So that is why I started Pretty Little Shop. Ki what I missed out on, other people's don't. So that is why we started a affordable range of gifting. Like our gift started from just 20 rupees, which is affordable for any student, any grandparent, any parent who is from middle class family or lower middle class family too. So that's why we started Pretty Little Shop, from that idea कि जिन्हें गिफ्टिंग का वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिला, उन्हें हम वो एक्सपीरियंस दे सके। दैट इज व्हाई वी स्टार्टेड प्रिटी लिटिल शॉप।
Okay. सही है। So we all saw that part that आप कॉलेज में थे जब आप कर रहे थे। So can you tell us about, because everybody out here is in school. So
यस।
how is it? How do you do it? How is it done? We want to know.
Okay, so the most common question I always get from everyone is, how do you manage school and business? Or how did school or business? I would say, how do you manage college and business? For you guys, it would be school and business. So the only thing I follow is prioritizing things as per the requirement. एग्जाम से तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ऑर्डर्स पैक करते बैठो, और ऑर्डर्स है इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि स्कूल बंक करो। देर इज प्रायोरिटी फॉर एवरीथिंग। आई डू बोथ, कि मतलब मैं कोई सेमेस्टर फेल भी नहीं हुई हूँ। आई हैव ओ ग्रेड इन ऑल द सेमेस्टर्स। सो इट इज नॉट कि मतलब if you are doing a business you cannot actually study or cannot score well. I'm telling you, if you have a business, you have a upper edge of scoring way better than other students, because you actually get to know a lot of things that you practically do in your life. And exams are not just about the books or whatever lessons you learn, but practical knowledge is important. What you can actually practically put up in your exams while writing exams. So I think you guys are in a very, very, very better place compared to other students who don't have a startup or are not able to, have something of their own. We have a better edge on this. This helps us a lot in studies. This is what I feel, and this is what I have experienced throughout my educational and entrepreneurial journey.
Amazing. सही है. तो but that time कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. स्कूल जाओ, फिर ट्यूशंस जाओ, फिर बिजनेस करो, कैसे होता है?
ओके, शायद ये सबको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, बट आई एम फाइन कि मेरा थोड़ा मतलब टाइम पास करने वाला टाइम कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाए. मुझे कभी कभी चलेगा कि अगर मुझे खेलने ना जाने मिले, अगर मेरा काम है तो आई वॉज फाइन विद दैट आई एम यूजिंग माई टाइम फॉर समथिंग दैट आई एक्चुअली वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड. सो इट इज ओके इफ कभी कुछ फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाने ना मिले. मे बी आपका वो काम होने के बाद यू कैन बी एट बेटर प्लेसेस. So I've always been fine with letting go some things which are not that important and giving my free time to the things that are actually important.
Right. Initially, how did you get the leads for your sales? कैसे sales कैसे ला रहे थे, कैसे आए थे?
Yeah. And this is another best part of being a student entrepreneur. स्कूल यार, स्कूल कॉलेज वही हमारा सबसे बड़ा और सबसे बेस्ट मार्केट है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. टेल एवरीवन व्हाट यू आर बिल्डिंग. टेल देम कि ट्राई करके देखो, डाउनलोड करके देखो, यूज करके देखो. स्कूल्स में आई डोंट नो होते यानी, बट वंस यू गो टू कॉलेजेस, कॉलेज में इंटर कॉलेज फेस्ट होते हैं, बाकी के कॉलेजेस में भी फेस्ट होते हैं. सो ट्राई पुटिंग अ वर्ड इन देयर. ट्राई लाइक लेटिंग एवरीवन नो. इन माय कॉलेज हमारा कोई भी सब्जेक्ट चल रहा हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट का कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए सारे टीचर्स एक ही एग्जांपल देते थे, प्रिटी लिटिल शॉप, टू एक्सप्लेन अ कॉन्सेप्ट. तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली हैमर हो जाता था सब सब बच्चों के दिमाग में. मतलब मेरे कॉलेज में सबको पता है प्रिटी लिटिल शॉप क्या है, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ आई कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रिटी लिटिल शॉप वेर एवर आई कैन. सो
Yeah, when I met her
उनको
also,
पता
she
है.
said, buy a gift from Pretty Little Shop. I mean,
हाँ,
I-
that's how you do it. Like हाँ, if कॉलेज और स्कूल में इतने सारे आपको कस्टमर्स मिल जाएंगे, उसके बाद ट्राई कलेक्टिंग डेटा. लाइक गूगल गूगल ट्रेंड्स पे जाके देखो कि मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्या चल रहा है, कहाँ लोग सबसे ज्यादा कौन से वेबसाइट पर जाके शॉप कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. ट्राई टॉकिंग टू पीपल. आई इवन यूज टू गो टू मरीन ड्राइव्स. वो संडे वाला जो चीज चलता था, every Sunday ritual, there used to be people used to come and promote their businesses, promote their art or something. I used to go there also just to promote my brand,
wow,
and that actually got me a lot of customers.
amazing. Anybody else has any other questions? उधर मैं ही सारे question पूछ रहा हूँ. Anybody, guys?
मैं स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं हूँ, आप लोग मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. I am just of your age.
Just one thing that means आपने किन किन जगहों पे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स लिस्ट किए अभी?
Okay. Oh wow. I must be the wrong person to ask this, because मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरी वेबसाइट पर लिस्टेड है. मैंने और कहीं पर लिस्ट नहीं किए हैं, बिकॉज फॉर माई प्रोडक्ट्स आई वांटेड टू कीप दैट एक्सक्लूसिविटी कि प्रिटी लिटिल शॉप के प्रोडक्ट्स हर जगह नहीं मिलेंगे, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू बिल्ड माई ब्रांड इन दैट वे. बट इफ इट इज अ ई कॉमर्स, लाइक इफ इट इज सम यू से फूड आइटम हो, कुछ हो, तो मैंडेटरी. अगर फूड आइटम है तो तुम सिर्फ अपनी वेबसाइट से बेचकर नहीं चलेगा. देन यू हैव टू ऑनबोर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर e-com platforms, like you have to be on Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon, Flipkart. You have to be there. But for my brand, it was fine if I could only sell from my website and my page. So that is the reason. So you need to figure out कि exactly आपको आपका ब्रांड किसके लिए बना रहे हो. यू वॉन्ट टू बी अवेलेबल फॉर एवरी वन. मास में आपको चाहिए कि सब लोग खरीदे मेरा प्रोडक्ट, तो you need to start onboarding other platforms. If you want to build exclusivity कि नहीं ये product unique है तो ये बस इनकी website पर मिलेगा, so for that you can focus on building your own website.
Okay.
I
Thank
have a
you.
question.
No
How
problem.
did you decide your pricing for the gifts? By quality and demand or like something else?
Okay, so for my products, when I had to initially decide the pricing, I used simple cost margin वाला formula कि मेरे को cost कितना लग रहा है उसके ऊपर एक fixed profit रखना है, सारा जो भी अपना margin है वो निकाल कर एक fixed profit margin रखना है और shipping add करना है. Initially I used this costing for my products, but later जैसे sales वगैरह increase होते हैं, then you try out different pricing strategies. बंडल प्राइसिंग हो गया अगर किसी को लॉट में खरीदना है तो उसके लिए, when you run sales or something, when you run offers, that time you need to then figure out a lot of things, but at initial stage you can just go with cost plus margin वाला formula. क्या आपको कॉस्ट लग रहा है वो देखो, एक फिक्स्ड मार्जिन रखो उसके ऊपर and go ahead with setting that price. That works.
I
Okay.
had a question. So in your prototyping phase, so like did you made all the products with your hand or you had a team to work with it? Because
Okay,
your products are
so
so delicate. I mean, I know.
I got a team just now after getting aired on Shark Tank. Till that time, I used to do it alone only. So there was no team. I actually made a lot of trial products. Like 20-30 बार बनाया, फिर मुझे पता चला कि हाँ, now this is fine. So I used to make that all by myself only. And prototyping, trials, errors are all part of the journey. Actually you should do it only. Keep adding some new things. Keep trying कि अगर ये change करके देखा तो क्या होगा, ये change करके क्या होगा, until you find the best fit for that product.
Ma'am, I have a
Yes.
doubt. That
Yes.
you're trying to say that your products are only available on your website.
Yes.
So don't, in a time or any time, don't you feel like that your products are available to really less customers?
Yes, of course. After a time, we can onboard other, e-com platforms as well. But until then, until we have that brand visibility, we build that brand visibility. People know about Pretty Little Shop. Until then, it is fine that we sell from our website only. Once we build that exclusivity, everybody knows what Pretty Little Shop is. And then by public demand, if we onboard other platforms, that is fine. I hope that helps you.
No, because till now I used to think something else, and now you just told me a whole lot new.
Yeah, please tell me. Please tell me. What do you feel? What is
I
what
I
is not?
thought I thought that you can use those platforms, which Amazon, Flipkart, like those platforms, to increase your growth. Then you can make it exclusive that people will want to buy it.
Absolutely.
I
Right.
thought
You're
about that.
absolutely right, Akansha. Those platforms are mandatory, but it differs product to product actually. Like not every product should be available on Amazon to be, available for every other customer. Of course, those platforms are important, but it differs product wise. What kind of product you actually want
Okay,
to
okay.
build? What do
So,
you make? What is I
I
actually
make
forgot, I'm sorry.
bots. I make bots.
Oh, okay.
Bots,
Okay.
posters, and mats made of coil.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Kushi. Like before you go, but I mean, I would like to ask one question. Like I know you get asked this question very often, but like, what is it that one thing? I know there are many things that you would like to advise, but what is that one thing above those many things that you feel is the best advice for young entrepreneurs like us, student entrepreneurs? What are we doing? So, from your experience, from your thoughts, what's the best thing?
Okay, so I'll keep it short. One best thing that I feel and I've experienced throughout my journey is if you have an idea, don't doubt on it. Just give it a try. If you think of something, yeah, I can build this, or this is something that will fill the market gap, don't because right now what happens is, don't keep on thinking ki, how will I do it? Then you make a plan. Just go for it, try it, because right now ideas everybody has, but executing it actually differs you from being a good business or bad business. Because I've heard this from a lot of people, and even my mentor actually tells me this. And this is what I would like to pass on to the younger entrepreneurs is ki execute whatever you have. Either it will work or it will not. It is fine. You can go on with another idea if it doesn't work. But what if it works? So if you have an idea, don't doubt yourself. Give it a try. This is what I feel. Don't keep thinking on it. Take advice, connect with people. I would always be available if anybody ever has any doubt regarding something. I will try my best if I can help in that. But give it a try. Don't think because आप सोचते रहोगे ना तब तक कोई और उसको $1 million business बना देगा. Just be patient with it, try it, and be consistent. Go for it. So that is all from my side.
So, okay, great. Khushi, even I'm inspired by your journey. I mean, आपने मुझसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की है. You are more educated, and I
Oh,
was very inspired the fact that you didn't drop out and you're completing your education, which is amazing. So can we have like a small screenshot where everybody switches on the videos so that we can capture this? Everybody, guys, thumbs up.
I actually wanted to say one thing. I'm so touched and overwhelmed. I did not know कि इतना मतलब इतने अच्छे अच्छे आइडियाज इतने इतने छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों के साथ एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. एंड हाउ प्राउडली दे से कि दिस इज माय कंपनी, आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ दिस इज द एटीट्यूड एंड दिस इज द कॉन्फिडेंस व्हिच इज गोइंग टू keep them going. यार, keep it up. I liked it and I am inspired by you guys. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, awesome. So thank you so much for coming, Khushi, and everybody, please one thumbs up, whatever sign
Thank
you
you
want to
so
do.
much. Thank you.
Awesome. Chalo, great.
Thank you. Thank you, Shan. Thank you,
Okay.
guys.
Bye, bye. See you.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys. So.